How to share your profile link on Discord. In this tutorial, I will show you how to share your profile link on Discord. The first step is to open or launch the Discord mobile application, as you can see here. You will land on the app homepage Discord. After that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Discord account. On this page, there are options that you can use to navigate to different areas of your profile. From there, tap on the settings. It is this icon here with the gear symbol. This is the setting of Discord. On this page, there are options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of the app. From there, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Finally, come to this section here. From the options that are here, make sure you tap this one named Advanced. On the Advanced mode page, there are more settings you can use on your account. From them, the one we need is the one here named Developer Mode. Make sure you tap on this toggle button here and turn it on. From there, come to the chat area and open any inbox where you have chatted before. After that, go to any chat you have sent and tap on your profile picture next to the chat you have sent. A new section will pop up as you can see here. From the section, tap on the settings icon that appears here. It has 3 dots. After that, this menu with 2 options will appear. From them, tap this one here named and copy the user ID. Next, exit Discord and open any text editor on your device. I will use the Notes app on my phone. After that, make sure you type this URL just like it is. At the end of the URL after the slash, make sure you paste the user ID you had copied. This is your profile link. You can share it with anyone, and when they tap on it or use a browser and paste it on the search bar, they will be taken to your Discord profile page. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is how to share your profile link on Discord.